Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the Messenger bot on the Get Started features. Every one of your Facebook pages has a Get Started. So if I click on here and if I delete this conversation, I'll show you. So you visit somebody's page here, and there's a Get Started button. Okay, so what happens? And you'll see here it says, "Hey Mark." There's a little message here. My name comes up here. And I can enable it, disable it, I can customize it, I can add all kinds of cool stuff, and I'll show you exactly how that works. So you go to bot settings. I'm going to go to my insurance demo page. You'll see that it says get started settings. Now there's also the get started settings is going to show you, hey Mark, click on the get started button below. You'll see that that's the exact same words as right here. So that's the message. And so the Get Started button is enabled, okay? And so I can disable it. So if I disable it, see, let me just disable it. So now if I refresh this, and the Get Started button should be disabled. Oops, let me, wrong button there. There we go. There, so now there is no Get Started button. Okay, now one thing that you can do as well, so that's disabled. There's also something called the icebreakers. These are frequently asked questions. So if I enable that, this is really cool. Watch this. Want support desk, and you can have your reply right here, and you can pick one of your post back replies. There's templates. You can add a template, or else you can go to if you don't want to use this, you can either click on add message template here, or you can go to postback manager, which is, go back to Messenger bot, and here's a postback manager. So you can create all of your postback replies here, or you can do it in the Get Started section. So we will come back right here, and we will create a icebreaker and want support. That's a question, and we're going to click on a response and add a template. So support desk, and you can have a child or a parent, and so it's going to be support desk. And you have labels, you can select campaigns, all kinds of cool stuff, sequence campaigns. Okay, so you have a sequence campaign started if you have if that configured. And so I'm going to do a text with button, and there's going to be a display on typing, so it looks like a human. Awesome. Click on button below for help desk. Okay, so I'm going to put help desk, and it's going to be a web URL. You can add more buttons, by the way, and more replies, up to 3. I'm going to click submit. Okay, I'll close and refresh. So that's the first one. So I can add another question. Want pricing? And you can pick another template. I can add one, and this will be pricing. And pricing. Again, you can choose a sequence, so you can have like an autoresponder sequence, if somebody selects pricing. And here you can do any kind of things that you want. You can make a carousel, generic template, anything that you want to do. But I'm just going to do a quick button, and again, it's going to look like a human. Awesome again. Button for pricing. Okay, and I'll have the web URL once again. I'm going to bring right to the page. There you go, and you can add more buttons, up to 3 more replies, and so forth. Okay, within the same thing. So that's so you can add a number of different questions. I'll close this. I can add more questions, but I'm just going to save this to show you what it's like. So now we have the Get Started button is disabled, but icebreakers are enabled. Let's click on that, okay? And you'll see here what this is all about. So now let me refresh this here, and it'll show you the icebreakers. And when they respond to an icebreaker, they are added to your bot. Okay, so let me click on that. All right. So now there's instead of a Get Started button, there is the support. Want support? Well, I misspelled what. Say want support, not what support. So there's the reply. Okay. There's the help desk, and it brings it to my help desk. Okay. There we go. And so that's it there. So let me delete that conversation. We'll bring it back to the test button. So there's the questions there. So let's go back here, and I'm going to change that here. It's want support. There we go. Saved. So now I'm going to disable the icebreakers, and I'm going to enable the Get Started button. Okay, and that's the welcome message once again. All right, and once again, you can put anything that you want right here, and we'll go from there. So I'll show you. Let's just refresh this here. Oh, there's a Get Started. I will enable that. I will disable this. So you'll see the welcome message. Hey, first name. Click on the Get Started button below to start my bot. All right, so that's going to show up. So I'll save that, and this is just the greeting. Okay, this is just the greeting. So let me refresh this. It's just a greeting. And very important for you to watch the end here. There's a Get Started button again. See? Click on the Get Started, Start My Bot below. So you'll see that's just the greeting. Okay, this is very important here. Now watch this. That's just the greeting. Now there's something called action buttons. And this is what happens after they click the Get Started button. So Get Started template. Now you can click on here, or you can click right here. Edit Get Started reply. This is the Get Started reply. So once they click on Get Started, what's going to be the reply? You can edit it right here, or you can go Get Started template. The exact same thing. So let me just click on Edit Get Started reply. Okay, remember this is the same thing as taking this step right here. Okay, so you're here once again. You can do a lot of different things. You can reply with an image. You can have up to three replies in one sequence, and you can have it as look like a real person. 2 or 3 seconds. Hey, welcome to our page. You can add another one, and you can send all kinds of different media and templates and all kinds of cool stuff. All right. Look like a human visitor. We will be in contact soon. All right. Put an emoji or whatever you want. Okay. There we go. And update. So now there's going to be 2 sequence of replies. You can add up to 3. It's going to be welcome to our page. We'll be in contact soon. So if I click on Get Started, you'll see it looks like somebody's typing. Welcome to our page. We'll be in contact soon. Okay, and now I can start broadcasting, or I could have done lots of more stuff, but that's how the Get Started works. Okay, with the Get Started reply. Thank you.